Hello guys, this is how you change your name server. After buying your domain from SeekAHost, you click done. As you can see, look at the domain here. So go back to your email and verify the domain. So let's verify this particular domain we just bought. As you can see, verify information. Click it, contact information verified. So the next step is to check. As you can see, this is the default name server. We need to change this name server to the one we want. So to do that, go back to SeekAHost, domain, click on action, then domain lock. You have to unlock the domain before you can change name server. As you can see, lock disabled for the domain. Click on name server and impute the name server of your hosts. So you can impute the necessary name server of your host, then click save. Name server update success. So let's refresh it and check if our name server have been changed. Voila, I can see status active and our name server have been changed. So let's go back to the domain. So the domain is working right now. So this is the easy way for you to change your name server. Please like, share and subscribe.